Questions about ceramic coatings. So can I apply a ceramic coating to glass surfaces? Can I apply a ceramic coating to plastics? Can I apply a ceramic coating on wheels? Can I apply a ceramic coating to my headlights or taillights? Those are questions that are often asked by you guys, my viewers. So I'm here to answer those questions today. It's going to be a fun one. So you know the drill. Without further ado, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan. Welcome to the show. I hope you guys are having a great day, so let's dig right into it. But before we go ahead and do so, if you want to continue to learn more about car detailing, all the products, equipment, tips, tricks, and techniques, make sure that you hit the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. So today, I'm talking or answering questions about ceramic coatings, and as you guys know, if you've been following my channel, well, a ceramic coating is my favorite form of paint protection because it not only protects against the sun's damaging UV rays, but it also protects against industrial fallout, protects against the elements, against tree sap, against acid rain, against bird droppings. It's going to give slickness to the paint. It's going to give, of course, insane gloss, that candy gloss we all love. It's going to give you self-cleaning properties, meaning that the vehicle is a lot easier to clean during your maintenance washes because dirt has less of a tendency to stick to the surfaces, right? And it's going to give you hydrophobic properties as well. So super tight and round water beads, and also very importantly, water sheeting, meaning that the water is going to sheet off the panels extremely quickly, not only making the vehicle easier to dry once you're done washing it, but also it's going to have less of a tendency to keep that water on the surface and, well, basically is going to keep your vehicle looking cleaner for longer. Now, one very popular ceramic coating that has been featured on my channel recently, and you guys have absolutely loved it because you guys accessed a special promo code that I have for my viewers that is still ongoing, by the way, is the Avalon King Armor Shield 9. And this is going to be our main focus today, not only because it does a great job on the paint, but it's also versatile in its use, and that's what we're digging into. So basically, one product is going to answer all the questions that we had because you can use this on painted surfaces, on your exterior glass, on your exterior plastics, on your wheels, on your headlights and taillights, pretty much all the exterior surfaces except for the tires. But yeah, this is going to give you many years of protection, and you're going to get all those added benefits from ceramic coatings. By the way, guys, don't worry. I'll include the links to the product in the description under the video for you guys to check it out. But yeah, I have a special promo code for a crazy discount for you guys to get your hands on this. I know many of you already purchased it. Actually, many of you purchased a few of these, so you're taking advantage of this promo, but you basically can coat with one 30 ml bottle. You can apply 2 coats on roughly 2 average sized cars. And if you have more cars or you want to just increase your collection and do your friends' cars as well, well, yeah, you have access to that special promo. So I have a lot of videos on this already on my channel. So first of all, the full review and application tutorial. So how do you apply this? I show everything, including the box that it comes with. I'm going to leave the links, by the way, don't worry, to all my videos for it in the description under the video. But it comes in this awesome matte black packaging. It just looks super high end. You get the armor shield here on the side. So I know a lot of you guys appreciate when a company takes time to make the unboxing experience awesome, and talking about unboxing against the branded logo here on that silver box inside. And when you open it, you basically are greeted with your awesome Armor Shield 9 ceramic coating. You get the foam applicator block. You get a bunch of these micro suede applicators that you're going to apply onto your block. You get some gloves, and you get a microfiber towel to buff it off or level the coating. Basically everything you need in this cool packaging. So again, great job on that. So I have the full application tutorial. Basically, you're going to prep your vehicle properly, right? You're going to basically do the washing of the paint. You're going to decontaminate the surface with iron removers and tar removers, the chemical decon if need be, and also use a clay bar if you feel the grit on the surface. You want the surface of the paint to be as slick as possible. Then you're going to machine polish the surface. If you see any light swirls or oxidation or deeper scratches, maybe a compound and a polish, or just a light polish if your paint is in good condition. condition because we want to preserve as much clear coat as possible, right? And then you do an IPA wipe, so isopropyl alcohol or panel prep, to remove polishing oils, because it's crucial that you want your Armor Shield 9 or any ceramic coating to properly bond to virgin clear coat or to a well prepped surface. So you have your block, of course, you have your micro suede applicator that you wrap around your block, and in movements of up and down and left to right, that's what we call a cross hatch pattern. Well, you're going to apply the product on the surface. You're going to wait for it to flash, give you that rainbow effect. So you're going to see a color change after 30 seconds to a minute, depending on the conditions in which you're working. And it's basically going to tell you it's time to buff off. We call that leveling the coating. You're basically removing any high spots and making sure that you get an even application. So you can not only apply this to paint, but the cool thing is you can apply this to pretty much all the exterior surfaces, and we're going to demo this right now. So we're going to apply this to the headlights, to the taillights. We're going to apply this to the wheels, of course, and we're also going to apply this to glass. So first of all, if we start with the glass surfaces, especially your windshield, what this does is it's going to create a rain repellent surface. So it's going to increase your clarity while you're driving in inclement weather, such as heavy rainstorms, for example, or thunder showers. And it's going to make the water bead off and sheet off so quickly while you're driving, especially on the highway, that you barely won't need to use your wipers at all. So it creates a super slick surface, and the gunk has less of a tendency to stick also. And if you're in the winter time, well, the glass is going to be a lot easier to clean for ice and snow because, well, the products or the elements stick less to that surface. So again, a hydrophobic barrier and a rain repellent that works really, really well. Again, the ease of use of this product is its main feature, but its versatility, guys. You can apply this pretty much on all the exterior surfaces. Many other coatings brands, you have to use their ceramic coating for the paint, then they have a coating for plastics, then they have another coating for wheels, and another coating for glass. So you'll need 3 to 4 or 5 different coatings sometimes to coat the exterior surfaces. And with the Armor Shield 9 from Avalon King, what I liked is that one product does it all. And again, I can't stress this enough. I've said this in previous videos, and many of my viewers who purchased it, you guys noticed this as well. This is the easiest DIY ceramic coating that I have ever applied, and this still sticks to today. I've tested dozens and dozens, probably over 100 coatings through the years. Of course, this is a car detailing channel, and rest assured, this is one of the easiest ones. So ceramic coatings used to be a thing that was only reserved to professionals, and people were scared of getting high spots, the flashing times, the curing needed, and all that kind of stuff. And it was tacky to remove, and this one glides on super easy, and you remove it just like a hot knife in butter. Very, very simple. So you can't get it wrong. Don't forget, once you're done applying this to your exterior surfaces, do not expose the vehicle to water or rain for 24 to 48 hours. That's crucial. I recommend the full 48 hours. You want this to start hardening on the surface before you expose it to the elements. And then you're good for many, many years of protection. And of course, maintenance is super easy. That's one key thing of ceramic coatings. A cool thing about this one, you do not need maintenance toppers. So technically, just wash your car every now and then, and the coating is going to be there for a guaranteed at least 2 years. If you apply 2 layers, you get 3 to 5 years of protection, especially if you keep a cool regimen of detailing, so you maintain your car properly, you use safe washing and drying techniques. And I also recommend every 2 to 3 months, why not, use a maintenance topper, so a silica spray sealant, although you don't need one. Of course, this is a detailing channel. We like to add a bit of slickness and gloss, why not? So you can apply your silica spray sealant of choice on top of this, and yeah, it's compatible with pretty much all of them out there. So you protected your glass surfaces. You can do your windshield, your side glass, and of course your back window as well. This is for the exterior surfaces, by the way, guys. Next, we're going to take care of the headlights and taillights. So again, the majority, or 99.9%, or pretty much all of them, of the modern headlights are plastic, so they can oxidize with time with the sun's UV rays. That's when you see that milky white surface or yellowish surface over time. Well, that's because the sun's UV rays has done damage. So the majority of headlights and taillights do have a clear coat on top to help protect a bit, especially during the first years, against the sun's UV rays. But you want to boost that protection because over time it fades. So you want to boost that by applying a durable protection. Many people apply waxes or sealants, but those only last a few months to roughly 5 to 6 months for synthetic sealants, but ceramic coatings last for years. So again, same process, just in a crosshatch pattern, apply up and down, left to right on the surface. Let it dwell or let it cure until it flashes, 30 seconds to a minute. I typically work in 68 degrees Fahrenheit temperatures, or that's 20 degrees Celsius and 45% humidity, so I work in a controlled environment. Do not apply ceramic coatings under heavy sun conditions, so not in direct sunlight, guys. Always in a garage or in the shade and on cool surfaces. So start at the beginning of the day or towards the end of the day if you want to have the best detailing experience. So you've applied it on the headlights and taillights. You let it rainbow, so you're going to flash and you're going to look for that change of color, and then you remove with the supplied ceramic coating towel, a removal towel, and that's pretty much it. You're done. That's how simple it is. And it's going to help to maintain that crystal clear, brand new look to your headlights and taillights. That's what distinguishes cars that are well maintained, is when you look at the headlights, well, you can tell that the car has been taken care of over the years if they still look clear and they don't look dull or oxidized, right? So this is going to help protect that. So next we move on to the wheels, of course. So your wheels are exposed to heavy elements. They're exposed to high temperatures because of the braking, but mostly they're exposed to brake dust. That is very corrosive and is acidic in nature. So what it does, it's those iron particles that fly off your disc brakes and of course your disc pads or your brake pads. And those are hot particles that get embedded into the clear finish or the clear coat of your wheels. And over time they oxidize due to contact of water and the oxygen in the air. And they create those tiny rust spots or rust specks. All vehicles have that. You're going to see it more on the lighter colored finishes on wheels. But I mean, even dark black wheels get brake dust. So what you want to do is to help prevent that as much as possible, or at least make the wheels easier to wash or clean during maintenance washes. So even a blast of your pressure washer should get you to 90% there, and then a small agitation with brushes and you're good to go. So same thing applies here. You apply this on the wheel surfaces. Now I have a tutorial on my channel on how to do a full wheels off ceramic coating. I'll give you a link to that video in the description under this video. That's if you want to remove the wheels and get to the inner barrels as well. But not everybody has the experience or the tools to do so. So you can at least do the faces of your wheels, because that's where you're going to see the majority of the dirt, grime accumulate, and of course the brake dust. So you're going to apply this to the face of the rims. You're going to let that product flash or cure for 30 seconds to a minute, sometimes 2 minutes, again, depending on which conditions you're working in. And you're going to use the microfiber towel to buff off, and that's it. So when you're done, again, maintenance is going to be super simple because you're going to get that hydrophobic properties on your wheels. So the water beating and the water sheeting off the wheels very quickly. They're going to accumulate less dirt and grime over time. And again, they're going to be much easier to wash. So we did the headlights, we did the taillights, we did the wheels, we did the glass. And last but not least, you can also do your exterior plastics. So if you have those textured black plastics or even the smooth black plastics, those two over time can fade and give that chalky white appearance that we do not like. So what you want to do is protect them. Protect them against the elements, the sun's UV rays, against salt outside, right? If you live in conditions like me in Montreal, Canada, where we have these crazy winter conditions, so they use a lot of road salts or road brine to remove the ice on the roads. Well, that accumulates over time on your plastics and can damage them. So once again, you apply this on your exterior plastics, you wait a few seconds, you remove with your towel, and boom, you get a nice sealed surface that has those hydrophobic properties, so water beating, water sheeting, and yeah, it's going to be a lot easier for maintenance. So guys, as you saw, hopefully, how simple this was. One product does it all. So I highly encourage that you guys check the Avalon King Armor Shield 9. Once again, I have an ongoing promo just for the Pan the Organizer subscribers and viewers. I'll leave links in the description under this video for you guys to check it out, but take advantage of the promo while it's still ongoing. So one product does it all: painted surfaces, glass surfaces, plastics, wheels, headlights, taillights, you guys name it. You can cover this with a single product. Yeah, I mean, what more can I say? If you guys use this, by the way, on all the surfaces that I mentioned in this video, drop a comment in the comment section, to basically give us your real world feedback on the product. I always like hearing back from you guys. The community feedback is super important as well. I take that at heart, and I usually give the companies your feedback as well. And also, believe me, they read the comments, especially Avalon King. They're a very, very implicated brand, and they want to make sure that you guys get the best possible experience, and they even often answer questions from my viewers in the comment section. So awesome stuff. Again, if you want to check out the tutorial, my initial review and how to apply this on your vehicle, so all the steps for the exterior paintwork from A to Z, so from pre-wash to wash to decontamination to machine polishing to IPA wipe and then applying the ceramic coating. The links are in the description. And then we got the 3-month update video, so you guys can see over the months how this performed. So we washed the vehicle and looked for the hydrophobic properties, the water beading, the water sheeting. That was a good one too. And I even submitted this to a torture test. So we blasted the surface that which it was applied on with a bunch of different chemicals to show just how much of a chemical resistance this also offers. So you get a broad range of pH resistance, which is going to help to protect against tar removers, against iron removers. So you can use all of those to clean your ceramic coated surface, and it will not affect this product. So great gloss, great everything. I mean, I'm enamored, as you can tell, hopefully, by the Avalon King Armor Shield 9. Again, the easiest to apply DIY ceramic coating or consumer grade coating that I have ever used. It's that simple. I don't know how much more clear I can be. By the way, I want to thank Sarah and all the team over at Avalon King for sponsoring this video and making all of this possible. You guys are awesome. You rock. You not only have a great product, but your support team and your customer service is second to none. So thanks for everything that you do. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Smash the thumbs up button to show me your support. Also, if you want to continue to learn more about car detailing, all the products, equipment, tips, tricks, techniques, and see videos like these ones, which I upload at least once a week, well, make sure you click the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. And while you're at it, hit the bell icon that's next to the subscribe button, and that way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video to YouTube. So guys, thanks for being there. Thanks for watching. And in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.